The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
And if you think call center work is easy,
think again.
Because if you want to get into the industry, you have to practice.
Vladimir Vlad is the best funky part of the music banjo player and vocals of the post for Viking Net.
Tapos sa akin isang araw, lilipat ka.
Hindi, nasabi ko lang kasi wala tayong mag-usapan.
Bagong umaga, huwag na maghintay, umahon ka na.
Pronunciation issues, kaya hindi pwede yun.
Dadaan na naman si Lunes, mag-a-adjust ka na naman ng tulog mo.
My girl.
Oh my God.
Mismo.
Sa akin wag gawin natin.
Kanina pa ba kayo dyan?
Ayaw, ina ka ba dyan?
Progreso at pag-asenso.
Hello? Oo, mamaya na lang. Nasa jeep pa ako. Text na lang kita ha. Sige, bye-bye. Okay.
Manong, please. Ortigas, just one.
Nalagpas ka na, huy.
Farah si Tuvi.
Manong! Pull over! Pull over! Para! Parang dahan-dahan naman, putang ina.
You know what, bro? I bought a new phone and I really love the specs. Ang galing!
Oh, me with my phone, with my Android, man, I'm so comfortable with it. It has quad core, everything I need, all the apps that I need.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello? Nag-jeep pa ako eh. Taki na ako mamaya. Okay, kita-kits. Bye-bye.
Go.
Oh, pare!
Pasok ka?
Oo!
Basta.
Ayos lang, ito, kuya.
Saan sa pasok mo?
12 to 9 ako eh.
Bato na eh?
Oo.
Kasi ako malilita ka pa.
Ako rin maliliit na eh. Parang download ko ng torrents kagabi.
Ah.
May bago kasi akong iPad mini.
Wait time ha. Pare ako, nag-movie marathon ako sa MacBook Pro ko.
Ah, talaga?
Oo! Dami ko pinunod kaya nga ako napuyat eh. Tangina pare.
Hello?
Sumay
Hoy!
ka.
Te! Ikaw, naku! Nakita mo yung bumili ako ng bagong DVD ni John Lloyd. Tuwa ako. Ang guwapo. Tapos, grabe yung eksena nila ni Sarah. Kinikilig ako. Basta mamaya chika-chika tayo. Pagdating ko dyan. Babu!
Pare, wala ka lang pasok. Ano pa pinili mo? Wala akong pasok. Pare. May bye-bye.
Magkasundo tayo, kapit kamay, problema'y harapin. Magsama-sama tayo, ikaw at ako, ulan ang bayan ko.
What's up guys? Welcome back, episode 11. The call center show. May inom ka pa bro ah.
That was the first fucking intro. Hindi ko alam kung i-respeto pa ako naman ano. This Lloyd!
Fairly sa ganda ng t-shirt natin ah. Pareho-pareho.
Pare-parehas.
Thank you, Alert Shirt.
Hello, shirts.
Anyways, welcome back. Dito naman po kaming apat. Siyempre, nagbabalik Ella. Pinadala namin ang return to work order yan. Ang ina, dalawang NCNS na yan. Dalawang episodes, no call, no show yan. Pero dito naman.
RTWO ba yan, pare?
Bakit ka ba nandito ulit?
Bakit naman hindi?
Wow! Bakit nga ba?
Ay,
Masagot.
Oo, ganyan eh. Sige.
Anyways, yun nga, pag-usapan natin yung nangyari last week. So last week,
Siya
ako...
na dumadikit po.
Hindi, parang mga to sa akin.
Kasi John Lloyd.
Jobert.
Yo.
Yun nga, maraming salamat pala kahapon kasi nandun kami sa may after school jam.
Yes.
Na hinost namin.
After shift, pare.
After shift.
After shift, after school.
After shift.
Calls for school.
Lasing ka pa yata.
Calls
Lasing
for
ka pa yata.
Cheers.
Ikaw ba isalang mo yung picture nito nung kahapon? This is the...
Grabe,
Ito, sobrang nag-enjoy si Joms kahapon.
Oo.
Sobrang nag-enjoy si Joms.
Kasi hindi maganda yung nangyari kahapon. Ang daming bandang tumugtog.
Daming banda, sobrang daming banda from the
Parang layo natin
center.
kay Ella.
Oo nga, bakit?
Ayan.
Ayan, oh.
Ako
Tingnan mo,
naman.
Heart to heart ka.
Ang gwapo!
So, maiintindihan mo na si Joms ngayon kung bakit...
Yung mga model ng ano, hello.
Proud lang ako kasi ang ganda ng shirt. Kaya ginanyan ko sila, heart to heart.
Proud na, may heart. May heart.
Tama ka.
Oo, mahal ko, mahal ko.
Pagkakaroon nung narinig ko,
Ano?
kinuha eh.
Anong kinuha?
Kinuha yung number.
Hindi ah.
Makakarating.
Chinita.
Anyway, hi pala kay Jake Smith, Mike, sa RPT niya, mga nanonood ngayon yan. Tignan niyo yung picture ko, pogi-pogi ko lang doon.
Hey Mon, thank you.
Mon, Raymond.
Pinakbay mo kami sa...
Hindi ako makbay ah.
Naki-heart
Hindi ka ba
ka
makbay?
lang.
Hindi ah.
Heart
Oo.
Oo.
Promise.
Hindi, pero sa
Sino yung makbay?
Ikaw.
Ano lang yun?
Para ka sampahin, nakaganong ko. Ano pa? Hindi, sobrang... Ayan! Pinahuli ka ah.
Denial ka pa. Huli sa camera. Huli sa camera.
That's all folks, it's over.
Ako wala dyan.
Ikaw ang malinis, Brad.
Oo
Ikaw
naman.
na.
Gusto mo kasi yung mga banda, yung lalaki, nakaganon.
Groupie ako eh.
Yun. Hindi, salamat. Successful yung concert kahapon. Daming tumugtog, daming pumunta.
I think, sandali.
Oo.
Speaking of the bands,
Yeah.
we want to acknowledge nga pala yung mga tumugtog for a
Wala
cause
katabi.
yesterday. At yung mga bands pare, Basilica, Subterranean, Bizdock, Holden, Lesser Cannon, Snoozebox, Damsel, ito yung
Ito yung
pinapaborito.
pinapaborito natin.
Damsel in Distort,
Damsel in Distort.
Bushfire, tsaka Peace Pill.
Bakit paborito mo yung Damsel in
We have
Distort?
10 bands.
Kasi puro sila...
Sila Damsel.
All-female band.
Oo, magaling yung banda na yan. Kahit umuwi na tayo, hindi natin napanood, sayang.
Nabati si Bogart.
Kami umuwi. Alam mo, may nagpaiwan eh.
Si ano? Si Raymond. Nagpa-event. Oh.
Nag-private na iwan.
Oh, thanks kay Raymond.
Okay, bali nga pala yung sobrang dami naming nakita kahapon. It's a gold mine of kaibigan,
Talent.
saya, talent, lahat-lahat.
Babae. Yan.
Beauty of music,
Wala tayo ibang
pinagsama.
pumuntahan, kundi ano, di ba?
Oo.
CR lang, tsaka hosting.
Oo.
Diba? Si ano,
CR lang.
si Mike. Si Mike Rockwell, binabati namin.
Mike Rock.
Mike Rockwell did the freestyle.
Hindi namin alam kung saan lupalog galing to. Sa, ano daw eh, SoCal daw eh.
Sabi niya,
California.
Southern California. So,
Arizona.
Eastern part,
freestyle siya
Eastern part,
ala Beastie Boys kahapon. So, tuwa naman lahat.
stig.
So, mamaya papakita namin yung video na yun.
Oh, may mga footages
Ano
pa.
nangyari sa inyo last week?
Ayun.
Aside from this.
Wala. Lasing again. Dahil sa'yo.
Ayun.
Courtesy.
Yun eh.
Ikaw?
Nothing much.
Ayun, yung kahapon, nandun ako. Tapos, ayun, trabaho. Tapos, nag-ano na kami kasi yung cheering nga. Yun, since POC nga ako, inaayos-ayos na natin.
Cheering.
Cheer dance, cheer dance.
Ella, ikaw? Ano nangyari sa'yo the past 3 weeks?
Ano na?
3 weeks oh! 3 weeks na wala.
Ano kasi, puro work. Work.
Yan.
Work.
But with that, by having Ella back, let's
Yan.
Cheers.
Dapat ganito kasi, hindi yung ano, di ba? So much for friendship.
Para kay Ella.
Wow, maso... Ayan na,
Ayun na.
naman.
Makakaya.
Dapat tayo loving Lear Selen.
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
Pare, speaking of music earlier, kanina pinag-usapan natin yung gig and the bands that played their songs, mga own compositions to ah. Some of them are beginning, pupunta na sa mainstream or whatever.
Galing.
Gagaling nila.
And we'll be guesting one of those
Bands.
bands sunod after Ella gets her tattoo.
Yeah. Going
Live
back,
dito din.
Going back, actually this episode of ours, di ko masabi. Very momentous eh.
At talaga?
Mari, very
Pero,
Yun, oo nga!
historical.
Sobra.
Ah,
First time in the call center.
Ano, sige. Tuloy mo yung puta.
Na ganito may podcast ng call center sa mga ahente mangyayari to.
Kahapon, binabara mo ako habang sinasabi ko yan.
Hindi, kasi ano...
Binabara ako nito sa B-side kahapon.
Oo, ganon.
Oo. Ina mo, pala mo, sikat ka? Pala mo, sikat ka? Lasing na kahapon. Tawa na tawa. Tangina to, kala nito, sikat siya eh.
Ay, nako.
Naglagan eh, no?
Hindi po
Okay.
ako sikat.
So, sige.
Pare,
Pakita.
ayun nga, going back. Parang I'm not worthy to introduce our guest today.
Ako din.
Mas lalo ako.
Ako.
Although it's my honor and privilege, kayo na.
Ikaw na.
Hindi ako-
So, ano,
Hindi ko kaya, hindi
so,
ko kaya.
so, ganyan. If they're not worthy, parang ako na lang natira.
Ela, ikaw na.
Ikaw na. Ang tagal mo na wala, magtrabaho ka naman.
Wow.
Tignan mo, kumpul-kumpul tayo sa camera.
O, sige. Ako na rin. No? Take
Ayan.
it from what Eric said. Ayan, this is a momentous event because... hindi na.
Pare, I'm having chills.
Bakit daw?
Chills in my veins.
This man needs no further introduction, but nonetheless, no. He's the, sandali, he's the frontman of Wolfgang, yan.
Ano sinasabi ko kanina? May
Ano sabi ko?
Wala sinasabi. Here's Mr. Basti.
Nakakapitin ka naman! Pag ganun ako ng pag-ganun! Cheers everybody! Cheers! Uy, salamat sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin. Puta mo, patayan tayo sa Tagalog dito ngayon, ha? Yeah! Inang yan. Nasa-stress na.
Stress ka na.
Salamat sa pag-grace sa show. Sir.
Hey, thank you for having me. Oh, wala na. Wala na yung Tagalog. Puro English na from now on. Sorry.
Okay lang.
But anyway, yeah, thanks for having me on the show, man. Okay to. Sarap.
And si Jom si mapapalaban. Ito yung ano namin eh. Master ng English namin.
Siguro.
Ito ang guru namin.
Frontliner namin.
Okay.
Putang ina. Dumugo na ilong ko kahapon kay Mike Rockwell.
Please lang. There was like an American client na joined the concert kahapon.
Oh.
Iniiwan namin siyang kahapon.
Ano, yung itsura ng jumps
So,
ganyan, no?
ano? Yes ka lang ng yes. Yes.
Putang ina. Nagkukwento
Yeah.
siya, kaganto ako. Then, nagpatawa siya. Ako na lang.
Ano yung nasa utak mo?
Ako nakita ko siya eh. I really don't know kung Red Horse yung tumutulong sa ilong ko.
Tanduay.
Tanduay.
Bye.
Galing, no?
Speaking of Tanduay kasi, di ba, meron silang ano, yung mga concert yung... Yan, yung Tanduay na...
Sige. Sayo
Kaya mo yan.
Lasing pa
Lasing
to.
ako
Nagtutour sila around the metro, siyempre probinsya din. Last time, nasa Bacolod kayo, Red Boss.
Oh, last week yun. Bacolod. Tapos,
On the 11th, I believe you'll be
Tanduay
on
first pa.
Chandisitas.
Yes. Sa 11, sa Tiendesitas, we're gonna be playing with Razorback.
Right.
And, yeah, so...
Yun, no?
Isu, doon lang yung plano, boss.
East, traffic dyan. I don't know. Meron, no? Ewan ko lang kung kailan.
Stone throw away lang naman yung Chandisitas.
Kaya,
Oo, lalakarin lang namin.
Lalakarin.
Pagkatapos ng gig sa 11, lalakarin.
Pupunta akong Eastwood. Doon akong tatrabaho. Mag-aawal ako, boss. Pasensya na.
Accent muna tayo!
Hindi, joke lang yun. Pero pwedeng
Joke!
seryosohin.
Sabay bawi.
Pwedeng seryosohin. Anyways, yun. Since nandito na si Boss Basti, balita ako nagtrabaho daw siya eh. Isang center eh, abroad.
Yeah, actually, kasi fuck, I'm just gonna talk in fucking English. Anyway, no, we were talking with I was talking with Jim and he was telling me about, you know, what you guys go
Right.
through and all your experience. And I was like, pare,
Yung tissue.
at saka ano, letter na ano, magpapalangka na tayo. What do you call it? No. Anyway, so when he was making me kwento yung mga, you know, experiences na, parang sinabi ko, wow, parang yan rin yung ginagawa ko nung nasa States ako. Because I worked in the States with this big company. Puta, ito lang yung masasabi ko. Kahit anong tao dyan, okay, kung Inchik, Pinoy, Amerikano, ano, ito lang masasabi ko, may mga tatangang tao talaga. Hindi mo maiiwasan yan. Kahit anong, you know. So anyway, what I did there, I was in operations for this company, and I basically handled 3,000 people. Okay, and that's on a day-to-day basis. Na when they would have a problem, they would call. I would pick it up, and I would have to solve their problem, whether it be a physical problem like engineering or janitorial, or whether it be a computer problem, or whether it be a maintenance problem. So yeah, that was my job basically. I would have to either go there physically and fix it for them after getting the call, or open up a ticket for somebody to go and do it. One of our main problems was for engineering because the building is air conditioned, no?
Okay.
Pare, I don't know what this fucking guy's problem was. But anyway, every day, pagdating ng 8:30, without fail, tatawag tong putang ina. I'm not joking.
Same shit, the same shit.
Ang init ng ano ko, pare, ang init. Okay, so every day I'd have to open a ticket for engineering to go to adjust the temperature. And the way it works is when you adjust the temperature for him, it's not just that office that gets adjusted, it's the whole
Centralized
quadrant.
kasi, centralized.
Yeah, centralized. So that's not just one person getting affected, it's everybody, no?
Right.
So anyway, so I send engineering there, then they come back and say, okay, you know. Finally, I'm like, why the fuck is it keep happening? It shouldn't keep happening, right? So I go there, and sure enough, nasa corner office siya.
Oh, big time.
Corner office. So, sa umaga, yung araw, di ba?
Sa kanya.
Sa kanya, sa office niya. So sabi ko sa kanya, you know, maybe if you close the blinds in the morning, it won't be so hot, you know, because we're adjusting the temperature and all that. Putang ina to yung sabi ng... When he answered me, I was like, wow, ito yung pinakakupal na tao sa buhay. Sabi niya sa akin, his answer to me was, well, what's the point of me having a corner office if I can't open the blinds? Diba? Ang inang yan, anak ng satanas. It's like, the view is not gonna go away, di ba? You just do it in the morning, and then medyo later on, when the sun is medyo up there, you open it there, nandyan pa rin yung view mo.
Pare, I think that's where you got Halik ni Judas, puta. And you're right, Halik ni Judas.
Yan yung nasa isip ko. May kanta ko para sa'yo. And that's just one, pare. There was another one na, again, the same thing na calling and calling. This was another person naman, no? But he would also call na, ang init daw, ang init. So puta, I'd send engineering, and then I remember the engineering guy, after going to inspect the office, actually went to my desk and started laughing. Then I was like, oh, okay ba yung problema? And he was like, go to his office. Kasi masyadong mainit daw siya. Okay. So I went down to his office. Pagtingin ko, naka 3 layers ang naka-polo, naka-sweater, naka-vest, tapos alam mo naman, kailangan fashion, di ba? Puta, naka-jacket pa. Kaya palang init, no? Tanggalin mo naman isa, dalawang layer, okay na.
Bobong puta.
Talaga lagi may catch eh, no?
Oo, man. And the thing is, the problem is, anong gagawin mo? Diba? What? Tangina yan.
Tangina mo, pwede mo na sabihin, tangina ang bobong mo. Alisin mo naman kayo.
Diba? Kung pwede lang.
Sir, but for how long have you been, you worked for that particular company?
I worked there for maybe about 5 or 6 years. Something like that. But don't get me wrong, kasi one thing that I had going for me, which was good, was my boss was okay. Okay siya. So in other words, as long as we didn't do something that was fucking stupid na, you know, gago kayo, yung ganun na, okay lang, you know. And he wouldn't be yung, what do you call it when they're todo watching your every move?
Oh, micromanager.
He wasn't a micromanager, which I can't stand, you know. He was more, just do it, basta, you know, okay yung labas.
No, definitely, which reminds me, this week I did something really, really very stupid. I think I told you this 2 days ago, I think.
Lagi ka naman
Yeah, man. There's always something stupid you did whenever we make kwento.
Common na to eh.
Ano eh? Hindi, no, this one is like stupid that I really cannot control.
Puta, Eric,
I mean, I could have, But I didn't. But remember the worst thing that you could do is to text your boss that you have intentions to resign. I was supposed to text him.
Nice. Ano yun, mali? Mali yung pagkakas.
Yeah, I was like
Wrong send?
texting, I was like SMSing 5 people all at the same time. It's morning, kagigising ko lang. I was walking from the parking area to the office. So it's a 4-minute, 5-minute walk. It's like texting blah, 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 blah. And then, that happened. You know when my boss approached me? Jim, you come over. Yes, boss. I was so proud.
Yeah.
When I sat down.
I'm so happy to be here. I really love my job. What do you need? Yes.
Oh, yeah. And then I was like, oh, boss.
Classic moments mo, bro.
Jim, I received your text. Yeah, I was texting you, Blama. You know that was rude. Huh? That was
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Oh, text me about your expediting your resume. Shit! I was like,
Uy, gago, nagpaparinig ka lang eh.
Epic fail!
Parang kanino ba yung message mo na yun?
sa ano?
Parang kanino?
Do you really intend to resign?
No.
Bakit daw ganon?
On the spot.
I'm not sure if he's going to answer
kay
that.
JM, boss. Naka-receive ako ng email galing kay JM, resume yata yun, updated.
Oh.
Laglagan.com.
Ano daw sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Well, I even posted in Twitter and Facebook that I love my OM.
Wow.
Ayun lang.
So wait, so what did you end up telling him when he said that?
Sorry. I told her, sorry.
Joke only. Dapat ganun. Joke only.
Post-April
I know.
Fools, no?
So, enough of that. Magigisa lang. Oh, shit. I'm, magigisa. Okay. Magigisa.
Slang!
I'm slanging.
Sute.
Grill.
Okay, bago ako mag-isa dito, let's talk about call center news. First news that we have, sabi ng Department of Health, no sex in health campaign for call center agent.
What?
Wow.
No
Paano pag
sex.
stress ako? No sex? Stress ako?
I think ito yung
Kakain
is
lang
this another DOH program? Pare?
Kasi may program si DOH about, it's a campaign that has a slogan of sex.
What does sex mean?
Sex
It's an
stands
acronym.
for, it's an acronym for stress-free living, eat well, and exercise.
In health campaign.
Ba't naman ginawa yan? Confused naman, di ba?
Hindi, seriously, parang, okay, catchy siya. Pero talaga, sobrang over eh. Di ba parang over eh?
Ako take ko dyan personally parang inappropriate kasi yung mga call centers may mga sariling HMO yan eh. May mga sariling provider ng mga ganyang benefits yan, medical benefits, whatever. Di ba? Maraming mga kabataan or maraming mga nangangailangan sa mga probinsya. Bakit di nila gawin doon? Di
So
ba?
ito, I felt offended sa ginamit na acronym yung SEXX. Parang, tangina, porque ba nasa call center kami, puro kami palakan tutin.
Oo.
Diba? Tangina, oo.
Pwede mo naman to, mga palakatuting ba ito mga to?
Before, oo.
Before, no!
Hindi
Ngayon
pa
medyo,
tapos.
nag-settle
Hindi,
down.
hindi pa tapos kasi yung sentence ko. Kinat mo yun.
Tapusin mo,
Quote
tapusin mo.
unquote. Before, oo, maraming scenario or instances na nagkaroon doon ng mga STD, HIV,
Ikaw?
call center shit. Hindi ako.
Okay.
Puta. Hindi nga. So, ewan ko lang, feeling ko doon nakuha yung statistics, doon nakuha yung SEX na acronym na yan. So, I felt offended. Hindi lahat, mga ulul kayo, putang ina niya. Ang dami yung
Pasensya na ho, medyo lasing na.
Lasing
So,
na.
galit na
Hindi, ang dami yung dapat unahin, ang daming batang nagugutom. Bakit kami
Yun,
hindi
yun
nyo?
mismo.
Kaya namin kumain, kaya namin paggamot yung sarili namin. Mas mataas pa sweldo namin sa inyo. Fuck all of you guys.
Galit na galit!
Pare, puso mo!
Pare, hindi ko over to!
when you invited me, hindi ko alam na may galit pala sa inyo.
Hindi.
Kasi ganito, apparently kasi, kaya nila ginamit yung sex campaign, catchy. Ang statistics kasi is, most working in call centers, ang average is between 27 to 35.
Hindi, nandun na ako, na-catchy siya. Kaya lang kasi, nata-typecast nga yung mga nag-work sa call center na
catch my balls.
liberated, blah blah. Tapos biglang ganyan pa yung acronym. What the
Liberated o
hell?
libog?
Libog. No, ganito nga. Ito, when initially there was a news about this na gagamitin. The thing is, so madami nang umaalma. Ngayon, may isang congressman that said, that's inappropriate. That's inappropriate.
So that's why they
ito
decided
So that the
It takes it
Department
on
of
hold.
Health decided to not use anything,
But you know what, honestly, how could you not see a problem with it? You know,
Right.
think in advance. You're using sex the word sex as an acronym for, diba?
Which is bullshit.
Right.
There's so many other words you can use that are...
For promoting a program.
Exactly, you don't have to use,
like
use
anal. Something.
Yun, anal.
Crotch.
Diba? Crotch. Caress.
Tits. Pag tits ang linagay mo dyan, okay yan. Game ako, back ko yan.
Di ba?
By the way,
tits.
Tits itself. No more tits.
Paano have you seen this traffic
No more
enforcer?
tits.
No, traffic enforcers. Yung nakalagay sa kanila dito, TTMO.
No, but
Yeah,
shit.
That's the wildest story about that.
Kasi, nahuli sa traffic. Oy, pare.
Titi mo.
Di mo ba alam, pare, titi mo. TTM mo, titi mo. Ay, pare, hindi mo pwedeng hulihin. Bakit? Titi mo rin. Inuli yan, taga-TTM.
Magkasama pa rin sila.
Dahil pasok yung joke.
Titi mo rin, back and forth. Titi mo. Titi mo rin.
Okay. Teka, ano yan?
Next.
Next news. Call center raided by cops in Cebu for selling bogus gift cards to Americans. Americans.
Ang dami ganyan. Ang dami ganyan dito.
It's one of those scam.
Mga fly-by-night centers to eh.
So it's not like an official,
Not
parang
really registered.
they just did it overnight para,
Right.
Okay,
Maraming ganun.
so police raided an outbound call center company in Cebu Business Park. So anong nangyari? They were tipped by 5 employees. Talagang 5 that signed
Nakonsensya.
an affidavit.
Sariling employee nila.
Sariling employees.
Well, that's fucking good though.
Right.
Diba? Okay.
Actually, that's fucking good. The thing is,
Tayo doon, syempre.
Lahat
ang
sila
bobo naman
tama
ng call center, alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi the reason why they were tipped is, magkano sweldo? 150 lang yung binabayad dun sa mga agents. And then there's no SSN pag-ibig.
Ayun lang. So,
diba?
Pang-taxi ng talo.
Ano perfect world, that's bad. Like, inasumbong mo yan because you're
Talaga.
selling bogus.
Tangina.
But if you're earning shit, do you
It's a
think
double-
these people would tip you off to the police?
Kung yung...
Well,
compensated.
Probably not. Tama.
Tayo na-give me 150. Tagay ko sa
It's over ka, di ba?
Tangina, parking pa lang sa Libis, 70 pesos sa daily. Give you 150.
Parang ang dami nangyayari sa Cebu ah. Ako, for one, I was born in Cebu.
Oo, yan.
Medyo nakakalungkot. Itong isa.
Ayan yung isa.
Na-hold up ng 4 na hold-uppers.
Cebu?
Oh,
Yan sa Cebu yan.
B. Cebu B.
Anong si Bobby?
Movie.
Ano yun?
It's one of the commercials before. Cebu B. Danggit by.
Ako masyadong
Candle
video
by.
Candle, dried mangoes by.
Nalilito na ako dito. Ano yung Cebu? Basta okay, go.
Okay, wait.
Cebu B.
There's
May Cebu B na pala.
Meron Cebu A.
May Cebu
Nakapunta na ako
eh.
sa Cebu A. Saan yung Cebu B?
Well, it's one of the promos before the Department of Tourism. Tapos yun nga, eto Cebu na naman, na-hold up na isang babae.
Cebu din.
She was hold up by 4
4 guys.
4 guys.
Wow.
And 4 guys, okay.
How many guys does it take to hold up a girl in Cebu?
One. Takina de.
Ano
Ibig sabihin,
ano? Ano?
if it's only one, I'm gonna get
Malamang
sacked by
graveyard.
this girl.
Graveyard.
Diba? If I'm a hold-upper, according to the statistics, we need 4 men
Yeah.
to hold up one
Para
girl.
mag-hold up tayo ng chicks.
Eda, tapos ka na.
Ano?
Pwede na.
Ay, nako.
Akin na yung ano.
Hi, speaking of wala lang, in addition, merong nangyaring hold up dito sa may Pasig. Pasig naman.
Call center din to.
Babae yan, babae.
FX na galing Antipolo.
Nawalan ba ng cellphone to? Nawalan ba ng cellphone to?
Sa taxi.
Madami
Sa
sila.
taxi nawalan?
FX.
Kala ko nawalan ng cellphone sa
Ay,
taxi.
nako, bakit ganyan? Nako, alay.
Well, excuse ba yan?
Nawalan kasi siya ng phone before.
Talaga.
Nako,
Ngayon
yun lang.
cellphone niya.
Ba't pala si Ella dito? Wala nawala yung cellphone ko. Actually, ginamit ko na rin yan dati.
Yan. Anyway, yun lang. Ingat lang po, konting
Yung mga
ingat.
baby namin yan, baby. Kayo, mga baby. Take care of yourselves.
Baby ka dyan. Ulul.
Yan. Ikaw na naman yung magaling.
Wala ako, baby.
Ayun lang.
Single ako.
Parang yun nga eh. I was telling
Pwede
this
post natin
particular...
yung number nito. Ako na single.
Going back, I was telling this particular story last episode, di ba? That us, call center employees, somehow made the streets safe. Kasi, yung mga establishments, na-require nila na maglagay ng mga lines, mga guards. Unfortunately, nangyayari pa rin itong mga ganitong ano.
Hindi mo kasi maiiwasan, marami talagang gagawin.
Yeah, maraming talaga. That's right.
I live in the Philippines.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Speaking of more fun in the Philippines, we're planning to put up this new segment.
Maganda to.
But more fun in the Philippines. Pico, can you show them this one, please?
It's
Classic
more
yan.
fun in the Philippines.
When you're in the call center,
Hindi mo mawala to.
bedtime stories.
Okay.
Makikita mo to.
Alam ko yan! Alam ko yan, pag lapit ng boss mo, ganun ka.
Nagdadasal lang, nagdadasal.
Pare, ito, sobrang talagang Lord. Di ba usually, nakaganon ka? Nakaganon. Ito, medyo,
Kilala ko to Familiar sa akin yung mga ito. Mokong
Parang kilala ko yan, katabi ko na.
Ano ka sa two assholes? Tangina na natutulog. Picture na natin, pare.
Salbahe!
Who's worse ba? Yung nagkuha ng litrato o kayo? Dahil pinakita mo sa buong mundo.
Actually, when I saw the email, post niya yan. Told them, I'm interested at this picture.
With consent.
Okay naman sila.
Yeah, definitely with consent.
Gusto niya yan.
Nag-tweet pa nga siya eh. Boss, kailan mo papakita yung larawan ko?
Actually, pag binaba mo yung kamay niyang ganun, puro
Ang tagal na pala natutulog.
Actually, nakadikit na yan eh.
Pwede siyang gayahin ng mga ibang taong gusto matulog.
Pag tinanong ka ng boss mo, hoy, hallelujah!
Amen.
Amen!
Iba ka idol.
Salamat, wala masyadong calls.
Salamat talaga, di ba?
Depending on what will be the outcome of this conversation, we'd like you to send in your emails with your sleeping palusot.
Mga candid shots.
Kaya kung may gusto kayo, padala nyo sa The Call Center Show.
The call center show.
Nakakatawa kasi yung nasa background
gmail.com.
si Raul.
It's okay kung natutulog ka lang eh.
Just make sure lang na yung pinicturean nyo, papayag pakita yung mukha nila.
Tama.
Oh, that's right.
Kasi syempre, fall nga naman yan. Ako, ayokong papakita yung mukha ko na walang consent.
Wow! Tangina!
Kasi hindi ako natutulog sa trabaho.
Hindi ka
Promote naman dyan pag may time. No, seriously daw, tutulog sa trabaho. Tumatayo ako pag
sleeping.
hilamos ako. Technique yun eh. Pero pag may ganyan kayo, trip nyo pakita yan, at pumayag yung pinicturean nyo, go tayo.
Para sa trabaho, what was the worst place na natulog kayo?
Amoy pa.
No, hindi yung amoy. Meron mga closet na gano'n na hinahanap yung like that na where you can sleep or wala? It's all open ba?
Na meron. Sige.
Sa sa sobrang antok, may training ako sobrang antok. Siyempre, hindi mo pwede pakita sa mga trainees mo na inaanto ka. Punta ako CR.
Yeah.
Kasi walang quiet room eh. Tapos punta ako CR, tapos yung dispenser ng tissue, nakaganyan ako. Tapos sobrang pagod na pagod siguro ako. Pagbalik ko, sabi sa akin ng trainer, Miss Ella, are you okay? Sabi ko, yeah, why? Kasi may malaking akong mark ng cancer. Ay, nako! Kasi.
Sorry! Naumpog lang, no?
Ako, for one, ang dami. Sa operations floor mismo, sa workstation.
Talaga?
Oo, matibay ito eh.
Kasi, ito naman ang palusot ko dyan. Boss, I'm not really feeling well eh. Pero hindi ko maiwanan tong nagbo-monitor ako ng call arrivals natin eh.
Dapat umuwi ako kanina pa, pero I love my job.
Exactly.
Mismo.
Ayaw.
Yun,
Ako yung pinaka-worst sa ilalim ng workstation.
Para walang
Ilalim ng workstation, found like a few rolls of tarp.
Oh, I remember that.
And then they were like, sleeping. My agent woke me up. Boss, 7 na. Alam niya, out ko 7. 7 na. Shit. I lied down on the floor like 2. I was like sleeping for 5.
Day off.
Sulit na night dip pa. Sulit na night dip.
Tapos clock out na
Oo, clock out
full
na.
day. Thank you.
Maganda yan, maganda.
Kami sa States, ang ginagawa namin, naghahanap kami ng mga closet. Kasi marami mga closet. Building siya eh. So, puta yan. Kahit anong closet. Binubukas mo. Okay ba dito? Okay. Tayo na. Sarap.
Ay, nako.
Let's go now to... ito.
Kaya nga, kanina pa ako sumisip-sip ng yelo.
Walang coke, trip lang
Okay.
Yeah, pero i-mix mo lang sa baba. Huwag mo pakita yun.
While we prepare for...
While we prepare for something that you
Ayan.
don't need to see.
Actually, meron pa ba?
Let's
Or should we
pause
get
for a
one?
commercial break.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Professional.
You think call center work is easy?
Think again.
Because if you want to get into the industry, you have to practice.
Vladimir Vlach is the best funky violinist, banjo player, and vocalist of the Bosco Viking band.
Sabi sa akin isang araw, lilipat ka.
Hindi, nasabi ko lang kasi wala tayong mag-usapan.
Sa bagong umaga, huwag na maghintay, umahon ka na.
Pronunciation issues, kaya hindi pwede yun.
Dadaan na naman si Lunes, mag-a-adjust ka na naman ng tulog mo.
My girls.
Oh my God.
Mismo.
Sa aking gagawin natin.
Kanina pa ba kayo dyan?
Hi, this is Mo Twister. Please watch The Call Center Show every Sunday, 6 p.m., only here on New Media Factory.
What show?
That show!
It's a show.
You know, that show!
It's that show, pare.
Oh, that show! Oh. Yeah, that show's cool. We talk about... Oh, what does this look like? Vagina? And...
Like a double blowjob!
Vagina?
Who is the asshole that decided to shave this shit off the entire planet?
Sometimes we like to talk about...
It's like when you guys like high-fiving on a girl and then you're doing her in the butt and you're doing her in the mouth. High five, bro.
Vagina? Vaginas?
And you're jacking off really intensely, but like massaging your balls and shit.
I'm not talking about a Chewbacca, man. I'm just talking about a nice little,
Vaginas?
And don't miss that spot, like the Cowper's gland. It's like in between your balls and your asshole. But not me, because I'm a guy.
Yeah, that's a cool show. You should watch it. I think we're on Tuesdays.
And we're back. So, ano ba yun? That show.
That show.
That show!
That show, man. What's about that show?
Oh shit. Could we start with something like that? No, it's it shows on this network every Tuesday, 7:30. It's me, Catalano, and Sib Cibulo.
7:30 p.m.
7:30 p.m. Putang ina, sana naman. Shit. 7:30 a.m. Papakay pa ako.
You gotta get used to the call center.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ka mapasok, ha?
No, but the thing that's cool is, you know, if you can't watch it live, you can always, you know, watch it after because, you know, it's just
downloadable.
Yeah, it's streaming. You can download it on iTunes if that's your
That
thing.
show.
Anyway, we just talk about, you know, whatever. Basically, we get drunk and we just fucking talk about whatever.
I personally, always watch the show. That show, yes.
The show or that show? That show, iba yun sa the show.
No.
Ano reviews mo? Ano ba yung...
That particular show. That show.
No, that particular show, iba yun.
That show.
Okay.
Kanina ini-steer ko lang na kung AM, whether AM or PM, pero PM yun, guys.
PM.
7:30
NMF.
Tuesday.
PMS.
Under our network.
Yes.
NMF.
Okay, so let's start off. Ito na talaga.
Let's start off. Kanina pa. Holy shit! Umpisa lang tayo ngayon lang.
Late na.
Kanina pa ako nandito.
Ito na, mag-uumpisa na tayo ng ating totoong episode. Ito na talaga yun.
Totoo.
Ano ba episode?
Ganun kahaba. Ito na yun. Ito na talaga.
Special talaga yung episode na to.
Siyempre.
Tungkol saan ba?
This is very special.
Hindi, tungkol saan ba? Hindi ko nabasa yun eh.
Yung memo.
Lagi ka naman ganyan.
Hindi mo nakuha yung memo.
Hindi mo na lang yung memo.
Sinabi, nakuha ko yung memo.
Okay. So, episode 11 is all about agent facts. Part 3.
Part 3.
Okay, agent
So, we
facts.
discuss like
mga
totoong nangyayari, facts about call center agents.
Okay.
So anyways,
Simulan mo na.
Sige. Ito, ako nag-post nito eh. Aminin mo, minsan sa buhay mo natawa ka, sa English ang katabi mo, nakasing lutong ng chicharon.
Paano kasing lutong
Ano may regional accent?
It's like this. Thank you for calling. My name is...
No offense man sa mga call center agents dyan sa probinsya, pero...
Nangyayari din yan.
Hindi, actually yung mga nasa province, mas magaling sila.
Taga Cebu yun.
Mas magaling sila.
Magaling sila talaga mag-English.
Ako! Sinabi ko na kanina, galing akong Cebu eh.
So na, no?
Ayaw. Baw ka na nga, baw.
Hindi, pero seryoso. Kama time na putang ina, may ganun tayo. Kahit ako minsan na
Dumudulas talaga, no?
Pilipino pa rin tawad na sabihin na.
O ano yung mga kalimitan dulas? Ano, ikaw, ano kalimitan dulas mo?
Nadulas ako?
Hindi, yung dulas na ano.
Nadulas. Madalas ako madulas sa may...
Madalas kang madulas.
Madulas.
Putang ina. Madulas.
Madalas ako madulas. Sige, testingin mo ako. Magkwento ka sa akin. Dali. Puta. Baka madulas ako.
I want to share one.
Sige.
Ito kasi nangyari sa akin to eh. Sa sobrang, kasi every Thursday, coding ako eh. So, before 3 p.m., dapat ang shift ko kasi ngayon, 5 p.m. So, around 2:30, nasa office na ako. Sa sobrang aga ko, at hindi lang once na nangyari ito, maraming beses, nakalimutan kong mag-in using the biometrics. In-inform ko na lang, boss, hindi ako nakapag-login. Pa-edit na lang ng ano ko.
Aga-aga mo doon.
I have someone who can attest na nandito ako ng 2:30. Nandiyan lang ako sa
So, kailangan may court hearing pa. Saan yung mga weaknesses mo?
Meron na nandiyan, boss, sa labas.
Okay, so next one. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Okay? Ito, nangyayari ito sa call centers eh. Nangyayari ang bait-bait sa'yo.
Putang ina, marami akong kilala.
Ito na. Alam ko lahat ng tumahan ito eh, di ba?
Pare, nakaka-relate.
Sabihin sa'yo, so good today, blah, blah, blah. That's good. Your proposal was really very good. And then, pag talikod mo, putang ina mo, ma-absent ka lang, gago ka.
Tapos ka.
May isa ka lang gawing mali.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
pound
you like a motherfucker.
Tanginan yung lahat.
Hindi na pa
episode na to, no?
Hindi talaga nawawala ng ganyan.
Yeah, no, kahit anong industriya, kahit anong
Kahit saan.
may ganung klaseng tao na hindi marunong uminom at mag-relax.
Isa lang masasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo magbait-baitan. Baka mapunta kayo sa langit-langitan.
I have this one pa. Ito, siguro.
Gawin mo ba yung t-shirt? Gawin mo t-shirt, bibili ako.
Ang ganda. Ito.
Saan mo ba nakuha yun?
Hindi ko alam, nakita ko lang sa post eh.
Post nino.
GM Groups. Ito.
Baw ka na.
Baw ka rin.
Thank you.
I have another, pare. Kasi call centers have shuttle services.
Oh.
Visit na visit ka sa driver ng jeep. Pagka yung abangers, every kanto yata hinto para magsakay ng pasahero or magantay ng pasahero. Yung malilate ka na sa shuttle eh.
Ako, kaya nga ako Nanitin ulo ko dyan eh pagbiyahe. Hindi yung traffic minsan nag-commute ako. Sobrang bad trip. Alam mo bakit? Tangina, tigil dito, tigil doon, and then mamaya, minumura na siya ng iba, kulang na lang magmura sa kanya yung mga nakasakay sa kanya. Tangina mo.
Lalo na kapag sa oras ng gabi.
Para silang kandidato.
Kaya yung hinto.
Tama.
Wait, pero hindi ba yan yung trabaho nila?
Which is nakaka-bad trip, boss.
Hindi, okay lang naman kasi, pero halimbawa, nandito ka, after a few meters, you're gonna stop again, you're gonna terminal your ass in that stopover.
So in other
Minutes?
words, naghihintay.
Naghihintay siya.
Yan.
Medyo hassle.
Hassle din yung akala mo nga kung mga kandidato.
Ito nga nangyari sa akin.
Kamaya lahat ng tao makikita niya sa atin.
Ito nga nangyari sa akin.
Hello! Hello!
Ito nga nangyari sa akin. Sa sobrang visit ko, bumaba ako. Naglakad na lang ako papuntang station kung saan nag-aantay yung shuttle. At nakita ko yung jeep na una sa akin. Sa akin daw bumaba.
Tangin na baba ka ganun.
Sa akin daw bumaba.
Ay, baba ka pa.
Okay, so, tawagin mo natin si HR guy.
Yes,
Oh,
let's do that.
Nasaan na? Oh, ba't nandiyan ka kasi?
Hindi, akala ko eh.
Tangina, ayos.
Do your job.
Bayin na siya sa'yo.
Okay, so while we do that, or while Joms does his job there,
Let's have a raffle, pare.
magra-raffle muna tayo. I-raffle natin. Ito. Hello shirts.
Ba't kayo pare-pareho? Akong iba. Well, type ko rin to. Maganda siya.
Yeah.
Oh, we have the same color.
Yes.
Hello. Hindi naman sa kulay. I'm talking...
The statement.
Kaya ni Raymond yan.
Raymond pa rin dito.
Okay. HR guy.
Yes, guys.
Hey, man. Kumusta?
Ayos lang, sir.
Okay, bro. Nga pala, we have Basti Artadi in the house.
Hello! Sino ba yun? Hindi ko kailangan yung Basti Artadi na sinasabi mo, ha? Ano yung tanong mo? Tanong mo na.
Okay, so, did you receive our email?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so ano ba mapapayo natin dito? Ilalagay ba niya yung experience niya na 5 weeks lang sa trabaho?
Wait, sabihin mo kung ano yung email.
No, the email states, one agent asked us if it's okay to put in the 5 weeks experience kasi hindi siya nakapasa ng training. Is it okay to put it in your resume and then apply for another job? So yun yung sasagutin ni HR guy niya.
Okay.
Hey, HR guy. Do you think it's okay?
Guys, kasi ang mga company ngayon, meron talaga sila parang background check na ginagawa. No? Although not all of them do that, most likely they do. No? So, if you're trying to withhold information in your work experience, chances are, baka ma-discovery lang yun. Ayun, in call centers in particular, in those that I've been into, they really put premium on integrity.
I think we lost him.
Let's revive him. We're losing him.
CPR.
Tapos hindi mo dinikle, tapos
Yeah, for everybody out there that doesn't know, we can't hear, so we're trying to figure out how to annoy it.
The key to that naman talaga is turning those negatives into positive notes in your work experience. Sinagot nga natin dun sa email, pare, ang sinabi natin dun, since i-mention niya yung 5-week experience niya, he'll try to turn it around and just say, when I applied for that job, I didn't know what I was doing. etc., etc. But now I'm more mature, so I think I'm in a better position right now to take on that job that I'm trying to get from your company. And knowing the recruiters, they'll see yung wit mo on how you turn around things and turning negatives into positives for you. Most likely, magaganda yung chance mo makuha yung trabaho. So, the bottom line is, you try to be as honest as possible. Those jobs, even though they're negative, they really work to your advantage eventually.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Wait, but can I ask a question? Sorry, no? So with the physical, actual resume, do you put it in? Or do you just say, like, with one line experience, small experience in this, area? Or do you just not include it at all?
Yeah. I'd really recommend that you put it in. You don't really need to, in resumes naman kasi, as much as possible, ang piniprefer nga namin dyan, mga one-pager lang, di ba? So, you don't really need to detail those kinds of things. Actually, lalabas na yung experience na dun sa center na yon, lalabas din yung tenure mo, which is like 5 weeks. No? Chances are, they will ask you about it. Ngayon, kung hindi mo naman siya nilagay kasi, magtataka rin yung recruiter sa'yo eh. Merong puwang in between your employment, your previous employment,
kaya pala akong dinatanggap ng isang
araw mo, and then now you're trying to withhold yung 5-week period, and now you're trying to apply. Chances are, tatanungin ka nila, anong ginawa mo nung 5 weeks na yon?
Tama.
Nagtikol.
Nagtikol. Ronda-ronda na.
Na-make up. Anyway, man, maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Thank you as always. Naka-ready na yung question for next week. Abangan ka nila. Ang dami na. May fan page ka na nga eh.
Kayo may kasalanan yan. Talaga naman. Pero dude, thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ingat.
The best ka.
Ingat.
Okay. So,
yeah, so let's talk about that for a bit. Sorry, no? Biglang nag-take over ng show. I mean, it makes sense what he said. It's like you don't want to have a gap in your resume, so you put a line there that states what you did, even if it's so small. Because what will end up happening is the interviewer will probably ask you about it.
Right.
Ano ba to? And then that's where he comes in, where you explain it, and then you just turn the negative into the positive.
Tsaka, you know what? Mache-check din nila yan eh. Pag-check nila yung SSS mo,
may contributions from this company.
Yeah. There should be a gray area dun sa work experience or
sabi nga nature guy, be
honest.
Be honest. If you want to make an honest living, be honest.
Correct.
Bottom line. Okay.
Santa raffle.
Oh, raffle na. Raffle na. Mga t-shirt.
Wow. Hindi na makakanta.
Hindi na sila mananalo.
Those two people hindi mananalo.
So, we're gonna let Basti pick.
Okay, what do I do? I just pick one?
Yeah, pick one.
Okay.
Okay. And the winner of this
Hello shirts.
The shirt
is...
Which shirt? Kahit ano?
Kahit ano.
That color?
Any
Kahit
design,
ano
any
color?
design.
Bahala na si Batman. Okay, the winner is... Putang inang yan. Hirap naman yung pangalan na to. She Ogaya.
She Ogaya.
Yes.
Yung spelling ng she, X-H-I-E-O-G-A-Y-A.
She Ogaya.
Galing ko talaga mamili. No? She Ogaya or Si Ogaya o kung anime ka, basta yun, nanalo ka.
Anyway, you guys, yourself a Hello shirt.
Just send us an email about your personal info.
Sabihin mo kung lalaki ka o babae, para malaman namin kung ano yung she.
Whether kung papadala sa'yo call boy or call girl shirt.
Tama.
Actually, maganda yung Hello shirts. Makakukuha niyo siya sa website. May Facebook page sila.
Facebook.
Para makuha nila, yung mga hindi nanalo pero gusto nilang magkaroon ng Hello shirts, they would have to go to
Hello Designs.
So, www.facebook.com/HellerDesigns. Ayun.
Hello, parang hello na hello.
Hello. So, kontakin nyo.
Yun yung pangalan ito. She.
Kontakin nyo lang si Japanese.
Makakontak nyo si Raymond Padolina actually sa number na to.
Aba?
Sige. Aba, may number siya.
Oh, textmate kami niyan.
Okay.
Pare, anong
nagdududa na ako sa inyo, pare.
Textmate kami. Anong magandang number ng babae sa ganitong,
Yan.
Ano daw number?
Anyway, 0917-419-3438 or email him at rpadolina@hillerdesigns.com.
Yan.
Yan.
Gusto nito. Actually, when they started sponsoring the shirts for the show 3 episodes back, ang dami na nag-inquire sa kanila. So, good job.
Yeah, it's actually nice, man. I like the
Personally,
the tela. Masarap.
Pinaganap sa akin, so binibigyan ko din siya ng sale. So, you can contact me as well.
Yeah.
pero mas mahal pag kinuha mo sa kanya kasi may kickback siya.
Uy, hindi ako nakukomisyon ha. Wala commission sa akin.
So, maraming salamat, Mr. Baster Taddy.
Hey man, thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me, pare. Salamat.
First ever.
Salamat.
Sabi ko nga.
Before we end the show, sir, again, your upcoming shows with the band,
tour.
I don't know.
Basta alam ko, I'll be there on June 11.
June 7, meron
June 7, yeah.
Where the fuck are we? I think we're in the 4th.
The 4th, yeah.
And then June 11, we're in Tiendesitas.
Tiendesitas, I'll be there.
We're back on tour with Tanduay, so you know, if you're in the probinsya and we're there when you're there,
salamat sa Tanduay. Umiinom kami ngayon ng Tanduay.
Salamat sa Tanduay.
Tanduay!
And there, thanks so much for having me, man.
Yep.
Twitter
Twitter
is very, very interesting.
Semenil Nation.
It's like semen with
Nation.
Semen in nation, something like that. Figure it out. Okay? Yeah. Maraming salamat, New Media Factory, for always housing.
Beyond the Box.
For housing us.
New Media Factory, we're located here at Beyond the Box, in One Rockwell, Makati. Maraming salamat.
Yeah. Our FB page.
Twitter.
Call center.
Lasing.
Lasing nga. Ako na nga. Salamat mga likes.
FB page, our Twitter page, our on this thing page,
the Gmail, the call center show, ph@gmail.com. That's our email.
Yung number.
Ayun pala.
Say number. 0917
magaling ka pala.
Facebook.com/thecallcentershow. We are hitting 1,995 Facebook likers as I speak right now. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. This has been a Call Center Show with JM,
Joms,
Eric,
Ella,
and Mr. Baster Taddy. Have a great fucking day.
Have a nice weekend.
Bye.